Thank you. Let's see if they're biting today. What's going on, everybody? So today we're out here at the Dolphin Cove. We're out here at South Padre Island. We're gonna be trying it out for a little bit for some sheephead. It is pretty windy today. It is like about 25 miles an hour. The wind's about 25 miles an hour right now. But we are gonna be trying it out, see if we can get any sheephead or redfish and see what goes on. Thing right here. Yeah. We made it. Alright guys, so today we are going to be using a single drop rig. You guys already know. Half-ounce weight, size 2 hook, 50-pound mono. And it's super windy right now. I don't know if we're gonna catch anything. It's been a slow freaking week. But we're gonna have faith. We're gonna have faith. I'm from along the way. I'm going back with something. Gonna hook it from the tail just like that. We're gonna launch them. Many times you don't really have to cast that far. Sometimes they're just right here. So usually I start casting right here, and then little by little cast a little bit further, a little bit further, a little bit further. So that's what we're going to be doing today. The tide's barely coming in. It's kind of already high. The high tide's supposed to be coming in. So let's hope that there's some fish out here. Oh no. Yeah. See how that goes. Otro. Ya van a comenzar a salir. Mira, no. Oh, se quebró. Ah, ya.
¿Ahí lo quieres soltar?
Ahí va. my shrimp. That's a good one. Oh yeah. I don't need that net. Yeah. Oh yeah, wait. I got. Oh, there it is. There you go. Damn, look at that thing. That's a big old sheephead. Yeah, let me go get the stuff. Yeah, that's a big one. Okay. Yeah, that's all a big one. Let's see if I can get the hook out without breaking it. Oh, I broke. It's alright. Damn. You alright? Oh, hold on, let it. You alright?
I don't want him to spike me again. Look.
Yeah, I don't know.
What kind of feature?
You can grab them from the back pin?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's this, Deb, if you want it from me.
Got it right.
You got them? It's a 19-inch.
19.
It's like a hair under 19. But it's freaking fat. That's a big old sheep's head right there. $19. Oh, a little under 19. Yeah. 19.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Well, I guess we'll take one. There you go. It's a good one. That, pass me the net. What is that, a trout?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Nice one.
Yeah, it's a nice one. There you go. Right here. That's a good one. That's a good trout. That's like a 16. Yeah. Oh, 15 right on the dot. Exactly 15, huh? 15. Yeah. Look at that. Grab it. There it is. There you go. Got something? Here, man. Hold on, hold on. It's a red. Baby red. Nah, it's too small, but they're starting to bite.
Good for the picture. Good for the picture.
That's a nice little red. Salió. Yeah, a little red. It's too small for sure, but probably like 13. 16. 4 more inches and it would have been a keeper. And he's gone.
Sí, ya. ¿Sacaron? Sí. Mira.
Well, guys, today we didn't really get to catch much. We did catch a lot of undersized fish, smaller fish, some smaller size sheep's head, a lot of freaking ribbon fish. We were using that live shrimp. Unfortunately, we only did get to catch 2 keepers. I caught one 20-inch. Oh no, I caught one 19-inch sheep's head. It was almost 19. It was like right under 19. And my mom caught a 15-inch speckled trout. But either way, we did have a blast out here. We did have some fun. But either way, guys, I really appreciate every single one of you for watching. Thanks for watching, and until next time.